Hey guys, how's it going? Show you doing some machine work. Harbor Freight mini lathe. This is a 372 cylinder. It is a tailpipe expander. Now I was a machinist for 4 years, and this wasn't quite as true. I just could not get these cylinders where I wanted them. Now this ain't the optimal way to do this, obviously, but you can't just chuck something like this up in the lathe and say, okay, I'm ready to go. You gotta indicate it, you like pound it in. You can usually move about 5 thousandths maybe, but I made that shaft so it's pretty true. I'm going to show you touching off here. Now the red, that's my high spots, okay? And down here, green's the low spots. Just something to, you know, good practice to do. Okay, now I touch the tool off. See what this says. It says about 0. Spin this back around, go to the low, touch. Okay, touch that. It says here about 7 thousandths. I got about 7 thousandths to cut off at. Okay. Try to give you guys the best perspective I can. I don't have too much room where I'm at, so. Alright, now back this up to 0. We're off. Okay. Now we're going to run this at a slow RPM. Just the way the setup is. Okay. 0. See? A little more. Try to do a 2-file depth of cut. Just because on this setup, that's what you want to do in case it doesn't knock this out of whack. That's what you got to keep in mind on when you're doing machining. You got to, if you don't have a real rigid setup, and you take a heavy cut, you can knock your part out or knock it out of true. Not know it until you're done and say, oh shoot, my part's jumping. Yep. Oh yeah, she cut pretty good. Okay. Some of that made it a little better for you. Another 2-file depth. Okay, bingo. Now we're sounding better. Yeah, we're getting true. I did indicate this part. I didn't show you that, but I had her within about 7. And that's what I took out, so where I marked. So she should be pretty true when I'm done. See what she looks like. See. Yep. Oh man, that puppy's getting it's getting there, dude. She's a getting there. Yes, sir. Okay. I took 3. You have a nice steady hand. Oh yeah, I hear it. It's good. Yeah, it's sounding great. I said this ain't the optimal way to do this. You want to use a chunk of material. There, boy. Okay. All right, Stu. Okay. Now, there's 11 thousandths off this thing. Oh yeah. Baby looks good. And keep in mind, you don't want to take too much off this because those legs are only about a little over a 1/4 inch thick on that cylinder. Could make it weak. Thing to keep in mind when you're doing something like this. There, come on, baby. Okay. Got to the shoulder there. Wish I had them big lathes like they had at the machine shop, but alright, let's see what we got. Oh yeah, we got her, bud. Perfectly true. Okay. All my markers off. See that? Oh, true. So we're going to take, do another 3. Okay. 3 thou. I'm going to take, I don't know, 15. Fast. Oh yeah. That was a 3 thou depth of cut. Got her, boy. Dude, that was all the way in because I could hear the sound. Number 16. about done. We'll do 2 and we're done. Do 2 thou and we're done. There we go. Took 18 off this. That's it, boy. Bingo. I'll show you what she looks like. There it is. Machine product. Got it down into here pretty good. You're supposed to go down and touch this, but I can't because there's not enough room on my lathe. But got that all down there pretty good. See if we get this out of here. Alright, as much as I want to take off that cylinder anyway, just because of the way it is. Okay. Little T-wrench, bad boy out of there. Bingo. Yep. Oh yeah, this puppy looks beautiful. Machined. Let me see here. I'll show you something real quick. Let me measure this. It's not the right way to measure it, but I'll show you. Calipers. Calipers here. Now calipers are only good up to about 5 thousandths. They're not super precise. Measure here. Oh, good. About 260 left there. So, yeah, pretty close. Like I said, this ain't the optimal way to measure this. This will get you close because, let me see. Yeah, we're pretty good, I think. So I got 260 thousandths here on these legs. So, yeah. Yep. Now the right way to measure this stuff, one of these. Can't really get in there right though. Only bad thing. Let's see. Yeah, it's much I want to take off this cylinder. See, so we got, yeah. Got, it'll show up right. Saying 256. 256 thousandths. Okay. Like I said, that, yeah, 254. You can't measure them, but yeah, this ain't really the optimal way to check to see how flat this is, because there could be discrepancies in the casting. Okay. But I do have a true base. Fix the base on this. That's a good thing. Okay. Hope that was a little educational for you. Until next time, guys, keep on feeling the heat.